fidget collector check. Show me your fidget that you wish you didn't have. Show me your favorite Pop-It. Show me your most favorite fidget ever. And show me a fidget spinner. Show me your favorite pop tube. Show me all your monkey noodles. And last but not least, show me a drink Pop-It.